I like the old one better. Not to mean anything, but I just like it because I felt like home to me.
Yeah, well, we always add something new and add something fresh to keep things interesting.
Because now the new one's going to seem very...
What's up, Jordan?
Hey, Jordan. I don't know who that is. Anyways, like, so now it's going to be very confusing, and I'm going to have to break in my own stuff for the new one, right?
Mm-hmm.
Are they still going to have Tomo in...
Yes, Tomo Hibachi is still slated to be in the breakers.
Okay.
Absolutely. And then over here, as you guys can see, there used to be a food location over here. I can't remember off the top of my head what it was called. Does anybody remember?
No.
The food location that was right here?
Tells you how many people used it.
The Gazebo, yeah, that's right. So that got taken down, and then this is where the smaller version of the Dodgem is going to go.
And how come you guys took off the cars right here?
Well, that's because...
Well, isn't that the smaller Dodgems though there?
Yeah, I think they just got it sitting there temporarily. They're getting ready to move it over.
Oh, they're moving it in one piece?
It looks like it, but yeah, they were used to sit right there. But you can see, I think these are pieces from the
real Dodgems.
The actual Dodgem. You can see them reassembling it over here on the right.
But the real one is still there.
Yeah.
What's that?
The other Dodgem on that.
It's been moved. It was over by the Good Time Theater, and now it's right over here. They're installing it.
What, the big one?
Good to see
Yeah,
not
see
getting rid
that
of
structure
it.
right there? That's the Dodgem.
Oh, are they finally gonna do the trail thingy right? Because last time they had it all, like they all had it all backwards. When you went in the big bumper cars. Remember the like gate where you would go? Remember that?
Oh, I know.
Where the guy said, "You in the red hoodie, put your phone down."
Oh yeah, somebody was trying to talk on the ride.
All right, we'll go ahead and stop right here, guys.
So I had heard a rumor. Are the Cadillac cars? Are they taking this part? What's going on with this?
I don't actually have any information on that, but any questions that you might have pertaining to rides and what might be moving or anything like that would be a question for Tony.
Oh, look at the Good Times Theater.
Whoa.
Look at where it was. Right?
I think calling it the Good Time Theater is an overstatement now.
Yeah. That's crazy.
It looks like a burn that place.
Wow, Mari. This is... Oh, look. Are they tearing this building down too?
I'm not sure. There's a little bit of construction going on there. That's one of our retail shops.
New facade, probably. This is where you get your hair wrapped, honey.
Yeah.
Wow.
You're going to put in place with the Good Time Theater with there, someone else?
Any questions pertaining to the Good Time Theater site, you guys can feel more than free to ask those questions in the special presentation with Tony.
Can we stop so we can get a couple pictures?
Oh, absolutely, yeah. I just kind of want to round the corner here.
Are we allowed to go up there?
If we could
Wow.
a good spot to take pictures over here.
I didn't realize that open.
Yeah.
That's crazy, Mari.
We'll just kind of gather around here and we can take some pictures. So this is where the Good Time Theater was located. As you can see, the demolition of this is mostly done. Any questions pertaining to this site, just reserve those questions for the special presentation with Tony, okay? But you're more than welcome to take as many pictures as you'd like.